My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to Glam It Up with Glama. So today we are going to be doing a Five Below haul. Yeah, I went shopping at Five Below. So I'm going to show you everything that I got. So if you want to see what is in those bags, then come on, let's go. Okay, so let me see. I'll show you what I got for everyone else first before I show you what I got for myself. Okay, so I don't have all of Petrova's things here with me, but I got Zoe and Petrova, both one of these right here. Maybe I'll get Finesse to bring me Petrova so that you can see what it actually does. Zoe hasn't opened hers up yet because when I came back from Five Below, Daniel and Jemmy and the kids weren't here. So it actually barks and it walks and stuff. So I'll see if Finesse can bring me Petrova so you can see it really quick. Okay, thank you. Okay, so Finesse just brought me Petrova's and Petrova's is open already and look what it does. It's so cute. Petrova loves it. And it actually walks. Isn't that adorable? Petrova loves it. I don't want to make it too loud. Jemmy probably already heard it. And I also got Petrova this little kitty right here. She loves kitties and dogs. And then she saw this, and when I handed it to her and she knew that I was going to get it for her, she was so happy. And then Finesse and her went on the other end of the store, and I could still hear her screaming with elation, like, ah, ah! She loves it. She loved this. She saw it from far away. She's like, kitty, kitty, kitty. And finally, I'm like, Finesse, what does she want? Like 10 minutes later, I could still hear her saying, kitty, kitty. And Finesse says she wants that book over there. She saw a kitty, so I just went and got it, gave it to her, and she's like, kitty, kitty. She got so excited. It has kitties and dogs in it and monkeys and all kinds of animals in it, and she absolutely loves it. They rolled away, and I could still hear her yelling about the kitty book. So I'm so glad that I got it for her. So yay!
You should read a picture. They're so
let me see.
Hilarious.
Like, oh really? I haven't even looked through it yet.
Some of the pages aren't for kids though, because it says like a bad word. But
Oh,
so funny.
I see. It says, get over it. I've got mood poisoning. Let me see. Finesse thinks I should read a page.
Yeah, just a few pages are like about grams. You're like,
I'll believe that the day I see you fly. There's one about glam. Where's
there's
find
like
me the glam one?
There's like a dog here.
Oh, look at Finesse's makeup. She just did a video too,
Where's
even
the-
though she hasn't uploaded it.
Yeah, it's gonna be up soon.
It's right there. What do you mean, where's it?
No, I mean-
Look at her makeup. Isn't that pretty? She's my inspiration for even starting this channel because she fell in love with makeup way before I did. I've been wearing makeup longer, but I wasn't in love with it until she started falling in love with it. And then I started, because I wanted to know what my daughter was interested in, I started going and looking at YouTube videos, and then I was hooked. It's her fault.
Here's one page.
Okay. Okay, so here's the picture of a horse just shaking its hair. And it says, if only you were as fabulous as, oh, I don't know, me? How adorable is that? I definitely have to read.
You have to read it. It's funny.
Oh gosh, that is so funny. And then here, babe, you might as well just wait. I'll show them what I got you and then you can take it.
Okay.
So I got Finesse some things. I always get Finesse things, as you ladies know. You guys comment all the time about how sweet it is that I get her things when I get me things. But because, like I said, she's my inspiration. She's the reason I fell in love with makeup. So I know that she loves it just as much as me. So she is on this, what is it, unicorn mermaid kick right now?
Highlighter kick.
Highlighter kick. I'm always buying her highlighters, but right now she's on this mermaid unicorn makeup
I
look
want to
too.
do a unicorn makeup look. That's why coming up soon.
Oh, okay, so she's going to be doing that soon on her channel. So if you haven't already subscribed to my daughter's channel, go to, I'll put it up here, Finesse Strasberg. Just type that in, you'll go to her channel and you'll see her using these palettes. Look at, it's like, is the word iridescent?
Yeah.
Where it just changes colors. So anyway, this is unicorn vibes. And look at, those are all highlighters. I don't know if the camera's doing it justice, but let me swatch the purple because that's unusual for me. Ooh, look at the payoff. Wow. Ooh, I've already got swatches on here, so I'll put it over here. Wow. Look at how that showed up. Awesome. Let me do a purple. I'll put the purple in between these colors. Whoa. Nice. And then I'm going to do a green, and then I'll call it quits because I don't want to swatch all of hers. How about right here? Pretty. So pretty. So if you guys don't have a Five Below in your area, what Five Below is it's a store. Everything is $5 and below. Most of the things are $5, but you'll find some things for $3.99, $2.99, $1. But most things are $5. But that palette was $5, and so is this one. This one is called Daydreamer eyeshadow palette. Look at how pretty that is. So this is going to be perfect for her mermaid. Oh, and it has a mirror just like the other one did. Awesome, big, long mirror. Oh my word, I should have gotten myself this one. I didn't realize it had such nice blues. Let me see, do I have room? Okay, here's that. Let me see if I can swatch. Oh wow, you can already see that, yeah. Let me do, like, let me wipe this off. Let me do this color because this is kind of speaking to me.
I swatched that one too, it's really pretty.
Ooh, very pretty, like a cranberry blue color. Beautiful colors. That's kind of yelling out to me too, that peachy orange color. So yay, now Finesse can have her stuff now that I've shown y'all what she got. So yes.
Unicorn look coming up soon.
Unicorn look coming up soon on Finesse Strasberg's channel. Okay, so that's what I got for Finesse and Petrova, and you saw what I got Zoe. And my Glama, my oldest Glama girls were here, but they're gone now. They're gone to their moms now, but they're always on their phone. And so I saw these little, I don't know, I guess they're pigs or dogs or whatever. They don't have a head. What they are is, the pink one is for Cassidy, the blue is for Danielle, the purple is for Jemmy, and the black is for Daniel, just in case they're interested in them. And I got Finesse a pink one, a blue one as well. So what you do with it is you just, you put it on your phone, like so, and it sticks on your phone, and then let's see if I can get it to stand. Let me see. So what you do is, if you can prop your phone up, basically like that, see? It props your phone up, and it's cute. So if you're watching a YouTube video or something, it props up your phone. So I thought they were adorable. So that's what I got for my oldest Glama girls. I think they'll really enjoy those. Whoa, it really did suck. Did you hear that? Woo. So cool. I got myself lots of things. So let's see what I got. I like to wear headbands when I'm doing Get Ready With Me videos. So I saw these and fell in love with them. So there's these little ears right here. Let me see if I can try them on for you. So there's these. You'll be seeing these in a future Get Ready With Me video. That's cute. I think I got 6 or 7 of these. Then I got these. They look like little piggy ears. These were only $2. So you see, you get stuff there for $5 and lower. So $5 below. So these were all of these headbands were $2. So cute. Hey, it matches what I have on right now. I should just leave these on. Okay, next thing I got are these floral headband ones. Here's a white one. So I got that. So adorable. I'm gonna have fun putting my makeup on. And to me, this is just fun. When you're putting your makeup on and you're trying to get your hair out of your way, it's just fun to have something cute on. And especially since I film my Get Ready With Me's, y'all have something cute to look at. Okay, and I got the same one in pink. Yay, love the pink. Matches what I'm wearing right now. Oh, this rose is turned around. There we go. Now it's cute. Now we look cute. So there's those. And then I got 3 of these because I loved them so much. So here's this one. It's a little bandana look. Isn't that adorable? If this was gone, it would be really adorable. But isn't that cute? And then I got a blue one. Yay, so cute. I should just take these off, shouldn't I? Okay, so here's the blue one without the thing on. Let me take the red one off. So there's the blue, so cute. And then put the red one back on. Isn't that just adorable? This is cute, like for a picnic even, but I'll be wearing these for my get ready with me's as well as maybe a picnic or a beach day or a pool day or something. And then, of course, because pink is my favorite color, I had to get one in pink. I was ecstatic when I saw that they had pink. Yay! So adorable! These are perfect for washing your face too. So those are all the headbands I got. How many did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 7 new headbands. I'll put them in my headband drawer. That's how many I have that I actually have a headband drawer. Okay, let me fix this hair. Crazy hair of mine. And now here's the bigger items that I got. Oh, before I forget, let me stand up for a second and show you, because I'm sitting on one of the things that I got. I got this stool for $5 at Five Below. So yeah, that's what I'll be sitting on from now on. My other chair I have at my computer desk. So I used to have to bring the chair from my makeup area to the computer desk and just go back and forth that way. Now I'll just leave the stool here because I don't lean back when I'm doing my makeup. I lean back when I'm editing my videos. So yeah, I hope I'm still in focus because this camera still isn't fixed. So that's the biggest item that I got. The next thing that I think is so adorable, I should have put batteries in it before I came and showed y'all this. But I love this Edison light bulb little fixture here, and so I'm gonna have it in my backdrop for my, probably back there on that shelf right there. I'll probably put it there. So yeah, I think that's so cute. And I think this was only, I think this was $5, yeah. And then this was only $3, and this is also gonna go back there somewhere or over here, I don't know, somewhere. It says, and, I love that. So that was only $3. That way if I get bored with the stuff that's over here, I can change it up. And then also for somewhere in my room, it's this marquee light box. And what I think I'm gonna write on it is Glama's Beauty Room. So you might be seeing that in a future video soon. So this was $5. You can change it up. You can put whatever words you want in there, I think. So this is what it comes with. It comes with a bunch of letters. Oh, and some emojis too. I see emojis up in here. I just did a get ready with me video where I did this makeup look. Oh, yeah. See, it's got, oh good. So it's got a bunch of ABC ones so that in case you need more than one A or more than one B or so, that's awesome. So this is what it looks like. These are the emojis right here. Oh, how cute. That is so cute. And it's got a little heart. How adorable is that? Am I in focus? I don't know. I might have gotten out of focus. I don't know. That is so cute. And then here's the actual box where you can just put the letters in there, and there's lights inside here, and then there's a switch. So yeah, just a little marquee box. I think it's so adorable. I don't know, for $5, I think it's fun. Okay, and so the last, oh no, I got some other cute things. I got these sunglasses here. I know they're probably too young for me, but I thought they were adorable. These right here, aren't they so cute? There's like no frame showing in the front. The frames are on the inside, so on the outside it's just all this, I don't know what you want to call this material, but here's what they look like on me. So there I am. How do I look? Do I look like I'm trying to be too young or something? I like them. I think they're adorable. And then these are really young for me, but I like them for the beach. I just think they're awesome. Look at them. Look at these sunflowers, or these daisies, I mean. Aren't they just so cute? They're probably too young for me, yeah. But oh well, I'm gonna rock them. I'm gonna wear them. Something fun for my babies, my Glama babies to look at and stuff. Okay, so now the last thing that I got is lately I've just been wearing nothing but nude color nail polishes. So when I saw this, I just had to have it. It's like every single shade of nude polish that you can find. So I just thought, yay, it's all in the nude family. I love the blush pink colors and stuff. So yeah, all of these for $5. I'll let you know if they're good polishes or not. Hopefully they're not like too see-through-ish where you have to do 4 or 5 coats. So hopefully they're good. So yeah, that is my haul. What do you guys think? Let me know if you have a Five Below in your area. And you might have a Five Below and don't know it, because I just found out about this store, I think 2 years ago, when my oldest granddaughter told us about it. And it's been around me forever, and I just didn't know that I didn't know what Five Below was, so I didn't know what it was. I thought it was a sporting goods store, to be honest with you. I don't know why, but that's what I thought. So anyway, let me know if you have a Five Below in your area. If you're not sure, then just go online and see if there's one near you, and if so, everything is $5 and below. Maybe I'll put some footage here, but they have like, no, I don't think I took any footage, darn it. But they have like clothes, they have workout clothes, they have weights, you know, light weights. And they have toys, they have shoes, they have stuff for your iPhones and your iPads, like covers and stuff, and for different phones. They have all kinds of stuff. You'll have fun if you haven't been to one before. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell every time. Well, not every time, but when you hit that bell, you will be notified as soon as I put up a new video. So, okay, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alrighty guys, bye. Mwah.
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.